Okay, here we are in my email, and if you'll notice, I've got this from Steve from Bookout. The top one is the PDF, and the bottom one is the PNG, which is the one that uploads easier to Canva. So I just dragged it and dropped it over, and it uploads. You can see the little bubble going there, and now it's in my system. So now I'm going to click it, drag it, and pull it around the edge. If you notice, the red or the orange lines aren't on either side, so this one's not going to work. Okay, that's not how you get it onto the page. You have to click it and drag it over to the middle and then let go. Now you resize to make it fit. It'll snap into place when it's ready. And if you notice, there's a little bit of white left over at the bottom. We want to make sure that the page is proper. This would get rejected by KDP'ers. So I'm going to go up and hit resize. And now I'm going to change it to the numbers that it says in the page layout size, full bleed size, okay? Because this is with bleed. And there we go. So I've inputted them in. I'm going to hit copy and resize. Oh, yep. If you notice, I've done it in inches. You can do it in millimeters too. I just did inches on this one. Depends on what other programs you're using. Okay. I'm going to push copy and resize, and here we go. Now it's the right size. You still see those little white lines. I've got to adjust everything a little bit. Grab the corner, pull it over, and it'll snap into place. And now it's the perfect size. Now we can get to work.